making 5-layer cheesecake. Okay, to start, we put plastic wrap in our bottom of our spring form pan. Then we take 16 ounces of cookie dough. And then we're gonna mash it down. When you got all that mashed down, nice and neat, you're gonna fold this over. I'm gonna pop this out. This is gonna go on the very top. We're gonna place this in the freezer. Now we're gonna take 2 boxes of brownie mix. You can get any kind of brownie mix you want. This is the kind I'm using. I'm using 2 boxes. Mix it up. How the directions tell you to mix it on the box. Then you get your spring form pan. Spray it down. Dump your brownie mix in. We're gonna heat our oven up on 350. We're gonna take another pan that's just a little smaller than this one, and we're gonna spray the bottom of it, and then we're gonna sit this in here to make a well of this brownie mix. And then we're going to pop it in the oven for 30 minutes. Okay, sprayed it all around the bottom and on the sides. Probably should have took that sticker off. Oh well, it's been there forever, so maybe it won't hurt anything. We're gonna press down on this, making a well. I hope that's done it. Now we're gonna pop this in the oven for 30 minutes. Our brownie's done, so we're gonna take that out and we're gonna let that cool for 30 minutes. Okay, after your brownie gets done, we're gonna make... Okay, after your brownie has set for 30 minutes, we're gonna turn back on the oven for 350 degrees. Now we're gonna make our cheesecake filling. And I'm gonna use this big gray bowl. It comes in a set like this though. If you want to order this from Amazon, it comes with all this little bowl, a sifter and a strainer, and the big bowl that you mix with. I use this bowl mainly to melt my butter and stuff. It works great because it's got a little pour thing right here. So we're gonna use 4 tablespoons of butter. You can eyeball it. We're gonna melt this just a little bit. We're gonna use our amazing Breville mixture. If you have not had a chance to look these up, these are on Amazon. You can buy them off the link below. This is the best mixer I have ever had in my entire life, and I've had them all. So add your 4 tablespoons of butter. You're going to use 3 packets of cream cheese. I've got 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I have a half a cup of sugar. And we're gonna mix all this together. Lights up. Okay, that is good enough. Now that we have our cheesecake mixture done, we're gonna add Oreos on top of this brownie. Okay, now that you got Oreos everywhere, we're gonna put our cheesecake filling on top. Okay, Now that we got all of that on there, we're gonna pop this in the oven for 40 minutes, and then we're gonna put it in the fridge. Okay, our cheesecake mixture has been in the refrigerator for 30 minutes, so we're gonna take that out and see how it looks. This is how it looks. And I've also taken our cookie dough out of the freezer. I'm gonna unwrap it. And now we're gonna add some Oreos to the top of this, and then we're gonna add our cookie dough on top of it. And we're gonna cook it for 20 more minutes, and then we're going to let it cool a little bit, and then we're gonna pop it back in our refrigerator. I'm gonna eat this tomorrow, so I'm gonna leave it in the refrigerator overnight. But I would say if you wanted to eat it the night that you make it. And somebody ate all my Oreos, so we're gonna do this. But yours, literally, do the whole top. Don't skip out. Don't let your children eat your Oreos without you noticing it. Anyway, this is all the Oreos I have, so we're gonna work with that. So now we're gonna put our cookie dough on top. Oh, fell apart. Place it on top, just like that. That looks good. So now it's gonna expand a little bit. 350 for 20 more minutes. Okay, our timer's going off and our cheesecake is done. Let's take it out and see how it looks. Okay, there it is, and it looks delicious. I'm gonna pop mine in the refrigerator overnight, and we're gonna eat this tomorrow. Please like, subscribe, and comment. I'd like to know how yours turned out. See you next time.